Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video. I am going to be doing the pearl cloud over effect, made popular by Sara Taylor and Dwight Poors and Melly D and Elise Fournier. Just give credit where credit is due. So I'm going to try doing this. I have one under here that I'm going to be pouring over. It was not level and it stretched all out. It would have been really cool too because there's some really cool colors in there. So I have some mixed up colors that are just mixes that I'm going to try to remember what I mixed, but they're mostly custom mixed. This is a berry. I think it's Deco Art berry. And I'll have my mixture of what I'm using in my description box, but this is a berry. This is a mixture of, oh gosh, I think it's a purple, dioxazine purple, and an amethyst purple. I really don't remember, and maybe a little bit of pewter in there. So that's a mixture of that. This is a Prussian blue with a little black mixed in. This is, I believe this is the Modern Masters, I have it right here. It's called Black Cherry. It's really, really pretty, isn't it? I used this in one of my videos prior to this. So we have that. This, I don't know what it is. It's a mixture of different blues and gray and metallic. I really don't know what this one is. It might be some pewter in there. And this is the Rose by Modern Masters. And then I have a little yellow ochre mixed up. So yeah, I think that's it. I might add gold, but I don't think so because I find the gold takes over in these pearls, but maybe it's just the gold that I'm using. But so I think I'm going to skip the metallic. All right, so I'm going to get to it. I have my white base mixed up, and that's what I'm going to be using. And yeah, we'll get started here in a minute. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. And I have a Facebook group, Show Me Your Pour by Show Me Your Pour and More by TSR Creations. So I'd like you to join if you haven't already. Go over there and check us out. We'd like to share a lot of different things over there. So it's not just pours, it's alcohol inks, it's whatever you want, whatever you create, I want to see it. All right. So yeah, let me get started here and get my base paint down and pour some paint.